So if you have whole wheat flour at home, join me, let's make money with it together. So you measure out 200 grams of that your whole wheat flour, add that into a bowl. To that you add 60 grams of ground oatmeal. Okay, you grind the oatmeal, you add it. You add 60 grams of confectioners or icing sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Now go ahead and combine everything together just as you see in the video. Next, you add in 70 grams of butter or margarine, but butter is better, but if you don't have butter you can use margarine. Next, after combining the 70 grams, you add extra 60 grams of butter or margarine and combine everything just this way. Okay, now once you're done making it just this way, you're going to be adding some water. What you need here is the first 2 tablespoons of water. This water can be replaced with milk. Yes, you can replace it with liquid milk if you wish, but in this video I use water. Okay, and you go ahead combine it just this way as you see in the video. I was supposed to add my flavor, but I forgot. Just now I added 1 teaspoon of my combo flavor. Okay, you can use vanilla, you can use milk flavor, or any flavor of your choice. And lastly, I added the last half tablespoon of water, making it 2.5 tablespoons of water. Wrap this up for like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, then you come back to it. Okay, now you take out a dough. From that dough, place it in between baking paper or non-stick paper or non-stick wrap, whichever one you want to use. Roll it out to be thin, not too thin, not too thick, but make sure it is flat, just exactly the thickness you see in this video. Okay, so once you have rolled it out just that way, you can use any cutter of your choice to cut it out, and then use your fork to poke holes on it so that it wouldn't rise too much when it's baking. It's going to, the holes you have poked will help to eliminate air from the cookies. Okay, I use this little or this small baking paper because that's the last one I had, so that was why I used it. But if you have a bigger one, please use it so that it will make the work easier and faster for you. So transfer this on a baking trailer with a baking paper, and then pop this in your preheated oven and bake at 150 degrees C for up to 30 minutes, or according to your oven temperature, or until it is turned light golden brown around the edges, and then you are good to go. So I baked this in 2 batches and I had this amazing cookie, like amazing digestive biscuit. So you have made for yourself amazing digestive biscuit. So I went ahead because whenever I do something here, I like to bring recipes that you can use to make money, like I said. So I went ahead and packaged this. You can see how this is looking so yummy, and it's very crunchy and it tastes amazing. Trust me when I say so. So like I said, I went ahead and packaged everything, each one 5 of these per packet. Okay, 5 of these per packet, and I took them out and sold them. Each packet I sold for 250 naira, and you can also sell 300 thereabout. It depends on your area. Like I said, all we make here is recipes that will help you to make money, and I said bring that whole wheat flour and make money with it, guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.